Have you ever gone to bed with amazing waves, slept on a satin pillowcase, protected your hair, put it up in a pineapple, put it in a bonnet, used all the right products, and then woke up looking like your waves packed their bags and left overnight? Because that has been my experience. And lately I've been wondering something. What if the problem isn't us? What if many wavies simply aren't meant to have great second day, third day, fourth day hair? So much of the curly hair community, they talk about getting multiple days out of a single wash day. But what if those expectations just aren't realistic for those of us with wavy hair? Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome to La Paz Bound. If you've been following my channel, then you know that I have been testing wavy hair products. I've been breaking down ingredients and running them through what I like to call my wave framework, which I have linked below. Weightless silicones to smooth, protect, and prevent frizz, amino acids to build, balance, and maintain elasticity, volumizing proteins to strengthen, repair, and support your strands, and effective polymers for lightweight hold and definition. I think a lot of us wavies seek advice from the curly haired creators, and I totally understand why. Many of the techniques that we learn, it comes from the curly hair community. But curls and waves, they're not the same thing. A curly haired person may wake up and they have flattened roots, but still have curl clumps that remain intact. Many wavies don't just lose volume, we lose actual wave pattern. Our hair is often looser. It's easier to stretch. It's easier for gravity to pull down. It easily flattens when sleeping. And it's easier for humidity to impact our wave pattern. So when we watch someone showing off their fourth day curls, we may assume that we're doing something wrong. But maybe we're comparing two different hair types and trying to apply the same technique to both. I finally found my holy grail products, which pass the wave framework test and give me the waves that I've been searching for over 30 years. But here's what's interesting. I thought finding the right products would solve everything. For years, I assumed my problem was simply using the wrong products. Maybe I needed more moisture, maybe less moisture, maybe more protein, stronger hold, stop using silicones, start using silicones. But no matter what I do, one thing keeps happening. My waves, they stretch out overnight. Sometimes it's just the top layer, and sometimes it is the entire wave pattern. Sometimes I wake up and think, well, that doesn't look anything like yesterday. And yes, I have tried the silk and the satin pillowcases. I have tried the pineapple method at night, and that gives me a headache. I have slept in uncomfortable bonnets that slip off or they give me the elastic forehead marks. And after a while, I started wondering whether I was trying to preserve something that simply wasn't designed to be preserved for multiple days. Because no matter what method I used, my waves always seem to relax overnight. If these holy grail wash day products are working, why are the waves crashing out? Recently, I tried refreshing with the AG Curl Trigger Spray. At first, I thought it was working pretty well. I even posted a picture to my La Paz Bound Instagram account, thinking I had solved day 2 hair. But by the end of the day, my roots, they felt gummy and sticky, and the crunch in the cast, it never broke. In fact, my wave pattern started looking stringy. And it got me thinking, am I solving a problem, or am I trying to force my hair to do something that it doesn't naturally want to do? I mean, if the curly girl method doesn't work for us wavies, why do we think one good wash day will yield great refresh days? And the more I think about it, the more I wonder if some wavies, including me, are chasing a goal that may not even be realistic. Because what happens when we're determined to get 5 days out of one wash day? We add more product, then we refresh, then more water, then more foam, then more mousse or more gel or more spray. And before we know it, our hair feels weighed down. It feels sticky and crunchy and gummy and greasy. At some point, are we actually improving our hair? Or are we just extending the life of a hairstyle that already expired at the end of day 1? Let's talk about the cost for a second. Not just the financial cost of buying refresh sprays and foams and mousses and gels and overnight protection products, the mental cost. The time, the frustration, standing in front of the mirror wondering why your hair doesn't look like the person you watched on YouTube. I think a lot of us wavies have experienced that. We see someone with beautiful second day curls and we assume that we're doing something wrong. But maybe we're simply working with a different hair type. I don't know the answer, but I think it's worth asking. Maybe we're approaching this all wrong. Maybe success for a wavy isn't having perfect third day hair. Maybe success is having a really great wash day. If I have amazing hair on wash day and decent hair the next day, did the routine fail? If I decide to lightly re-wet my hair instead of preserving the original style, did I fail? If my waves naturally stretch out overnight because they're waves, not curls, did I fail? I don't think so. In fact, I think some of us have been judging our success by the wrong metric. Maybe the real question isn't how many days can I make this wash day last? Maybe the question should be, how good does my hair actually look? And if day 2 isn't great, maybe a quick re-wet is okay. Maybe a ponytail day is okay. Maybe washing more often is okay. Maybe we need to stop treating every wash day like it has to last half a week. I know we're all trying to save time. I know nobody wants to wash their hair every day, but maybe we need expectations that match our wavy hair type. I don't know about you, but I am tired of trying to get second day hair results. What am I trying to prove? Who cares if my hair is down and wavy one day and then up in a bun the next day? At least it's up and out of the way and off of my neck. I'm not spending time air drying, diffusing, and then scrunching and messing with it throughout the day. That is exhausting. I work from home. I rarely have to be on camera. I can roll out of bed, put my hair in a bun, and then start working. I do my hair when I film these videos. I do my hair when I leave the house to go see family or to go out to eat or get my nails done. I put in the effort when I need to and when I think it's important. Because at the end of the workday, I just want to eat dinner with my husband and chill out on our couch watching our shows while the cats snuggle next to me and fill the empty space that used to belong to our pug Pico. So now I want to hear from you. Can you get good second day hair, third day hair? How do you protect your waves overnight? Do your waves stretch out like mine while you sleep, or have you actually figured out the secret? After all the products and all the experiments, I'm starting to think that many wavies aren't failing at second day hair. We may simply be expecting our waves to behave like curls, and maybe they're not supposed to. If you've had a similar experience, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what's worked for you and what hasn't. And as always, thanks for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, my friends.